Hello everyone. As you know that it is very important to practice the previous year question papers for CLAT exam. So on the students' demand, we have come up with the solutions for the CLAT previous year question papers. Here in this lecture series, we will give you the solutions of some selected and important questions based on the previous paper. I will give you the detailed explanation of all those problems. Sometimes I will be explaining the traditional method as well as the shortcut tricks. So, as you know, to solve the quantitative aptitude in more smarter way, you need to follow two things. One is the logical sense of mathematics and other one is the effective way to solve the calculations. If you follow these two techniques, then it will be well enough for you to complete the solution within 30 seconds or 35 seconds. Now let us see that how we can solve the problems in more smarter way with 100% accuracy. As I mentioned that we have selected some important questions from the previous year papers. I will be telling you first the questions and then I will give you the detailed explanations of all these questions. So let us look at the problems one by one. Here the first problem is, it's a simplification. The question is, as you can see, that one mathematical expression is given. The expression is 0.111 whole cube plus 0.222 whole cube minus 0.333 whole cube plus 0.333 whole square into 0.222, then the whole cube of that complete expression. Now how you can solve this sum in a more technical way? So of course it is not very feasible to carry out the calculation of 0.11 cube or 22 cube or whatever it is. So if you start solving in the traditional way, you will end up by killing your time. So it is always advised not to follow the traditional method to simplify the sum. Every time you can find some special techniques by which you can easily simplify the given expression in a more effective way. And here you can see all the terms involved in that expression are having one factor common. What is that common factor? 0.111. In the first term, it is directly given 0.111 whole cube. So 0.111 is obviously a factor. In the second term, you can see it is 0.222. So it is easily understood that the 0.222 we can write it as 2 into 0.111. So the second term effectively you can write as Z2 into 0.111 whole cube. Then the third term is 0.333. So you can write this term as 3 into 0.111 then whole cube. Plus again you have 0.333. So this you can write as 3 into 0.111 whole square into 0.222, that you can write as 2 into 0.111 then whole cube of that given expression. Now further you can simplify. So what you will do, as all the terms are having 0.111 whole cube as common, you can take it out. So once you take 0.111 whole cube common out of the given expression, you are left with the first term is only 1 after taking 0.111 whole cube common. you are left with only 1 for the first term, plus in the second term you are left with only 2 cube, then minus in the third term you are left with only 3 cube, then plus in the last term you are left with 3 square into 2, and then you have whole cube of that. So now it is very easy to solve. Inside the third bracket you can see you have 1 plus 2 cube, that is 8. So 1 plus 8 is 9, minus 3 cube, that is 27. So 9 minus 27 is 18, plus 18, 9 minus 27, so it is basically minus 18, plus 3 square into 2, that means 9 into 2 means plus 18. So essentially what you have, plus 18 minus 18 0, or you can simplify it as that this factor 1 plus 2 cube minus 3 cube plus 3 square into 2 will give you essentially 0. So as you know, anything multiplied by 0 will end up with 0. So the whole expression will basically give you 0 after simplification. So we have solved the problem using the calculation technique. We did not follow the conventional way of multiplication, then addition and subtraction whatsoever. We followed some techniques of calculation by which we have considerably reduced the problem into much more simpler form. So this is the technique which you need to follow if you want to solve the sum very quickly. So this is the way you can simplify the given expression. So not only for this problem, for any kind of simplification problem, every time you can find some special techniques to simplify the problem, or you can use some built-in mathematical identities. So what you need to do basically to understand that whatever technique you need to use or whatever identities you are supposed to apply. So use that technique, use the apply, and reduce the problem in a much simpler form.